Hi everyone. Today I'm going to discuss few questions from the previous years of periodic table which came in your board exams. By solving these questions, you will be able to understand the types of questions being framed from this portion. Okay, questions are very straightforward, very simple. It's a very scoring chapter. Just the basic concept about the theory portion you need to know about the trends and you will be able to solve your questions. Okay, okay, let's begin. Okay. This is a first question is an MCQ question which I framed in a fill in blanks form. So what is the question? You need to find the number of electrons present in the valence shell of an halogen. So first of all, you need to know what are halogens. Halogens or which groups do halogen belongs. Halogen belongs to group 7. Okay. And what does the group number signifies? It signifies the number of valence electron. Okay. So by knowing the group number, you will be able to tell the number of valence electron present. So the question has been solved. Halogen present in group 7. So the number of valence electron will be 7. Option D. Okay. It is also a very straightforward question. Electronegativity across a period, what does it do? Increase or decrease? Increases. Why? Because of two factors. First was the atomic size factor and second one was nuclear charge. Nuclear charge increases and atomic size decreases, which results in the increase of the electronegativity. Now down the group, your non-metallic character will increase or decrease. What will you say? Decrease. Why? Simple. As we go down the group, the size of an atom increases. So size of an atom increases, that means it will have less tendency to accept electrons. So your non-metallic character will decrease. Okay. This third question is a good question, I would say, which will test your concept. Okay. It is said you have an element whose atomic number is 16. Okay. State to which period it belongs. I would add one question. You need to state the group number also. Okay. The number of valence electron present, whether it's a metal or non-metal. Whenever you are given a atomic number of any element, first and foremost thing you need to do is write the electronic configuration. Okay. If you are able to write the electronic configuration, you will be able to solve the question. So what will be the configuration for this atomic number? It will be 2, 8, 6. Okay. So how will you find out the period number? Period number is equal to the number of shells. So how many shells are here? 1, 2, 3. So you need to write number of shells equals to the period number, which is equals to 3. I've also asked you the group number. So group number will be determined by the number of valence electron. Valence electron are the number of electrons present in the outermost shell. So in the outermost shell we have 6 electrons. Okay. So valence electrons is 6. So group will be 6. Okay. Now you need to say whether this element is a metal or non-metal. How would you say? If a number of valence electron exceeds 4, then you simply classify them as non-metal. Okay, when we will be doing chemical bonding, you will be able to understand why I have said this line. Okay, Clear? If you have any doubt to the any questions which I have solved, I need some further explanation for it, you can just comment in the comment box. I will solve your doubts. Or if you have some other queries also related to this chapter, you can also text down. Okay, I will try to solve your doubts. Done. Very simple questions. Okay, the last one. Okay, what it says, we have three elements E, F, G, and their respective atomic numbers is 19, 8, 17. You need to classify them as metal or non-metal. So as I said earlier also, whenever atomic numbers are given to you, first and foremost thing is that you need to break down to their electronic configuration. I'm writing electronic configuration as EC, okay, shortcut. But in the exam you need to write the full form. 2881 2, 6 2, 8, 7. This is the electronic configuration. By now you should be able to write the electronic configuration for at least up to 20 elements. Okay, practice them. Now, so classify them as metal and non-metal. You need to check their valence electrons. See, the number of valence electron is 1. So we can classify them as metal because it will easily lose this electron. Valence electron is 6. Just now in the previous question also we have did this. It will be non-metal because the number of valence electron has exceeded 4. Here also it will be a non-metal. Same explanation as given previously. Okay. Second question. It's a good question. Okay, what it says, an element of one short period of a periodic table is given to you. Means you're given element of certain periods, okay, which are arranged from left to right. To which period these are the elements given to you, and the first question which is framed from this part is, to which period do this element belong? So to find out the period, we need to know an electronic configuration of any one of the elements. Why I say any one? Because the period number will be same for each of this element as they belong to the same period. So I'm taking the simplest one, lithium. We're writing the electronic configuration of lithium is easy. Atomic number of lithium is 3, so configuration is 2, 1. Therefore, how many shells does valence shells, how many electronic shells it has? 1 and 2. Therefore, it belongs to period 2. Okay. One element of this period is missing. Which element is and where it should be placed? You need to see that in the given period, one of your element is missing, and you need to justify the position where it should be placed. Simple. Just write down the electronic configuration of each of the elements. 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 6. It is 8, 9, and neon will be 10. So 2, 7, 2, 8. We see we do not have an electronic configuration as 2, 5. Therefore, we are missing an element whose atomic number will be 7. Therefore, the element is nitrogen. And where it should be placed? It should be placed between carbon and oxygen. So, which one element is missing? Therefore, missing element is nitrogen. And where it should be placed? It should be placed between carbon and oxygen. ओके, ठीक है। Okay, third question is arrange these elements in the increasing order of electronegativity. So what is the trend for electronegativity across the period? Across the period, it increases. So we have to try and find in increasing order. That means among them, fluorine will have the maximum because it is at the rightmost corner of the period. Then beryllium will be at the beginning because it is at the leftmost, from as you see, leftmost and rightmost. So nitrogen will be in between, and put the increasing order sign. Okay, this is order. Okay, which of the elements belong to a halogen series? Halogen series means number of valence electron should be 7, and we see from the electron configuration we have written the element which have this is fluorine. The answer is fluorine. Clear हुआ? In my next video I will be discussing more question with you all. Thank you everyone. Please do like my video, share and subscribe it.